If you're like me and looking up YouTube video after YouTube video to figure out how to get into a console of the 23 Expedition, I'm assuming it's similar. Maybe a 22, 24 is going to be the same. A lot of people talk about simply just pop this up, pull it back. Not the case with the Expedition. So you've got these covers, these nice little leather covers, cover everything, make it look all nice. You need to get these off, which have a couple of little clips in there that you have to get off. Try to be very gentle with it. But there's two screws that are going to be holding the actual middle console together. Without removing those, you're not able to physically pull this up and get access. Once you get access, then you can get into underneath. If you drop anything behind the little crevice of no return, is what we'll call it here. So you can always kind of fix the problem there and make sure you can get everything. If it's really small, there are some like far up little areas that maybe a little jewelry, earring or something like that may get stuck into. But you can pretty much bend your arm up and around inside there. Sorry, it's a little dark. But you can get around to a bunch of different areas within that. There are cables that you can leave connected, but it does allow you to kind of get in there. You can always disconnect them if you need more access. But just something worth noting there, to make sure there's two screws on each side that you've got access in order to get this middle console loose. Good luck.